In this video, I'll outline examples of how to cite different types of sources in MLA 8, covering books, journal articles, websites, and more. 1. How to cite a book with one author. Format: last name, first name. Title of book. Publisher, year of publication. Example: Morrison, Tony. Beloved. Vintage Books, 2004. 2. How to cite a book with two authors. Format: last name, first name, and first name last name. Title of book. Publisher, year of publication. Example: Eggers, Dave, and Mimi Locke. The Art of Doing Nothing. Penguin Books, 2010. 3. How to cite a edited book. Format: last name, first name, editor. Title of book. Publisher, year of publication. Example: Lee, Hermione, editor. The Genius of Virginia Woolf. Oxford University Press, 2015. 4. How to cite a chapter or essay in an edited book. Format: last name, first name. Title of essay or chapter. Title of book, edited by editors' names. Publisher, year of publication, page numbers. Example: Smith, John. The Power of Symbolism. Themes in Modern Literature, edited by Sarah Benson, Cambridge University Press, 2020, pp 45-67. 5. How to cite a journal article. Format: last name, first name. Title of article. Title of journal, volume number, no number, year, pages. Database name, DOI or URL. Example: Brown, Elaine. Cultural Identity in Contemporary Art. Art Studies Quarterly, Volume 23, Number 2, 2018, pp 134-150. JSTOR, www.js.org/stable/123456. 6. How to cite a website article. Format: last name, first name. Title of web page. Website name, publisher, if different from website, date of publication, URL. Accessed day, month, year. Example: Jones, Mark. The Rise of Renewable Energy. Econews, the 25th of March, 2023. www.econews.com/rise-of-renewable-energy. Accessed the 3rd of April, 2024. 7. How to cite newspaper article. Format: last name, first name. Title of article. Title of newspaper, day, month, year, page. Example: Adams, Russell. Tech Giants Eye the Future of AI. The New York Times, the 2nd of February, 2023, PB3. 8. How to cite a film or video recording. Format: title of film. Directed by director's name, performance by actor's name, if relevant, production company, year of release. Example: Inception. Directed by Christopher Nolan, performances by Leonardo DiCaprio and Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Warner Brothers, 2010. 9. How to cite a YouTube video. Format: last name, first name, or username. Title of video. Website name, uploaded by username, if different, day, month, year, URL. Example: TED-Ed, The Surprising History of Superstition. YouTube, the 17th of October, 2023, www.youtube.com/watch?v=$xyz123abc. 10. How to cite a social media post. Format: last name, first name, or username. Text of post. Social media platform, day, month, year, URL. Example: at NASA. Today, we celebrate the achievements in space exploration. Twitter, the 12th of April, 2024. www.twitter.com/nasa/status/12345678990. 11. How to cite an online image. Format: last name, first name. Title of image. Year, URL. Accessed day, month, year. Example: Davidson, Sarah. Sunset over the bay. 2021. www.photographywebsite.com/sunset-bay. Accessed the 10th of August, 2023. Key points for MLA 8 bibliography. Italicize titles of longer works, like books and films, and use quotation marks for shorter works, like articles and web pages. Capitalize all main words in titles. Include URL or DOI for online sources, but exclude http:// or https://. Omit publisher names for well-known platforms like JSTOR, YouTube, or Twitter. End each citation with a period, except for URLs.